Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 30th June from around the world. Mayawati says, stand with BJP on China. Has sharp words for Congress. Uttar Pradesh politician Mayawati is the latest opposition leader to file away her animosity with the ruling BJP and come out in its support on the China tension. In a statement yesterday, she alleged politics by the BJP and Congress, which she said was of great concern. Bahujan Samaj Party stands with Bharatiya Janata Party on the India-China border issue. Politics being done by BJP and Congress by levelling accusation at each other over India-China border issue is not in the interest of the nation. It is a matter of great concern, said the former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. China can take advantage of this situation. Other issues are being ignored and citizens of our country are losing because of such politics, she said. Maharashtra extend lockdown till July 31 after urging caution. The Maharashtra government has extended the coronavirus lockdown till July 31 amid a steady growth in the COVID-19 numbers in the state, issuing fresh guidelines for what it called Mission Begin Again. The government said that movement for non-essential activities will be restricted within the neighborhoods in the Mumbai metropolitan region. It is further directed that the movement of persons for the purpose of non-essential activities like shopping and the outdoor exercises shall be restricted within the neighborhood area limits with all necessary prescribed mandatory precautions of wearing mask, social distancing and personal hygiene. A statement read, India likely to get 6 fully loaded Rafale fighter aircraft by July end. India is likely to receive around 6 fully loaded Rafale fighter aircraft by July end, fitted with the long-range Meteor air-to-air missiles, which is expected to boost the capabilities of the Indian Air Force. The Rafales, along with the Meteor missiles, can hit targets at more than 150 km strike range. Depending upon the situation and the ongoing training of IAF pilots in France, we may get 6 Rafales by July end. The aircraft will be arriving with their full package and will be made operational within few days itself. Why Balochistan Liberation Army, which target Chinese interest in Pak, may have attacked Karachi Stock Exchange. Posted on Twitter and other social media, a photograph stamped with the letters BLA showing 4 armed men in camouflage with a caption naming them and their self-sacrificing attack on the Pakistan Stock Exchange in Karachi earlier on Monday is being widely seen as a claim by the Balochistan Liberation Army for the attack. The BLA is a Baloch secessionist militant group headed by UK-based Harbiar Mari. Pakistan has long accused India of backing Baloch separatists and militants, an allegation India has always denied. It also alleges an Afghan hand in the movement. Iran issues arrest warrant for Trump. Ask Interpol to help. Iran has issued an arrest warrant and asked Interpol for help in detaining President Donald Trump and dozens of others it believes carried out the drone strike that killed a top Iranian general in Baghdad, a local prosecutor reported on Monday. While Trump faces no danger of arrest, the charges underscore the heightened tensions between Iran and the United States since Trump unilaterally withdrew America from Tehran's nuclear deal with world powers. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.